Hi YouTube, I've got another watch unboxing to share with you today. This particular piece I actually got for my 30th, and it is probably the most expensive watch I've owned, or I've owned basically to date. So let's just get on with the unboxing. Again, I just want to apologize for the noise and the not so good lighting, but I just thought a quick dirty unboxing is better than no unboxing at all. So here we go. Oh, these plastic foam things. Right, let me just get the actual box out. Actual watch box out. There's some paperwork in there as well, which I don't want to show, but just give me 1 second. There we go. Right. There she is. This is a special treat, special purchase. So if you notice with my previous videos, I apologize again, they weren't the best quality, but if you notice, I have added a field watch to my collection, a chronograph. This one will be my dress watch, and at some point I'd like to add a diver as well to the collection. So what have we got? So we've got a guide here, service guide, a whole host of information. So it's like a manual, and a bit of history, I guess, of the brand. And there's multiple languages, and it's manual in multiple languages, and there are some color pages in there. And I don't know what this is. Quality pledge. It's just some information about all the quality tests that their watches go through, or I'm assuming maybe this particular watch has gone through, but that's let's put that to one side. So that's the actual outer box. Very small. Okay, what I should have shown you in the outer packaging is the model number there. The Heritage Chronométrie. Is that the model number? M29615? I'm not too sure, there's a lot of numbers there. Anyway, let's just look at the actual box. Woohoo, there you go. Wow. Right, so I've got it's a nice enough box. There's there's nothing too special or extravagant about the box, which is fine by me. It's not exactly a high complication watch or anything like that, just a fairly straightforward dress watch, 3-hander with a date complication at the 6 o'clock position. Let me just put the box to one side and then perhaps get the some kind of protection here for the tang. So let's just get that out. Again, I apologize about the reflections. Look at this beauty. Right. So it's probably the smallest watch, one of the smallest watches I have owned or will probably own. Let me just put it on quickly on my wrist. That's what she looks like on my wrist. Now the strap, as you can see by how stiff it is, definitely needs breaking into, but just to give you an idea in size, I've got a 7-inch wrist and I think it said on the box it was a 38mm diameter case. I'll just take it off my wrist again. So we have a now it says it's a silver dial. It is a silver dial, yeah. But the indices and the hour and minute hands are in this golden color. The date window there has a little frame as well in gold. Don't know if you can see that. So one of the best parts about this watch is that really long seconds hand, which is a nice blue color, and I'm going to say they are heated, not chemically treated. If I am wrong, please do let me know. But that's the brief view of the dial. A nice sun-brushed dial there. fairly slim, a very classic shape. Polished finishes. There's a very tiny brushed finishing detail there. Just quickly go in the case back. I think that's a nicely finished movement. Very elegant. Let's just see if we can get her going. We've managed to get her going. Got a signed crown there with the Montblanc logo. Anyway guys, I'll just stop there. That's just been a very quick unboxing and brief look at the Montblanc Heritage Chronométrie dress watch in silver dial. Thank you.